Two-in-one Scarifier and Dethatcher right here by MZK. This is a 15-inch plus cut, and the Dethatcher and Scarifier. This is the Scarifier right here. You can see the long cuts right here. This will cut the lawn into the ground, making long lines. So if you're overseeding, this will come in really handy. And then on the bottom here, I'm going to lift it up to show you guys. This is the Dethatcher right here. See how it's like a hook? It basically hooks up all, like you see, like the dead grass right here. Look at that, these dry grass or any debris and stuff like that. It will pick it up, clean it. So what if you're going to reseed, I suggest you do this first, the Dethatcher, and then the Scarifier second. So this will get it cleaned up first, and then we make some cuts, and then this will overseed. Listen, you can save a lot of money not to hire the landscaper. If you decide to do it manual, it takes forever, and your hand will hurt, your back will hurt, everything will hurt. So you got 5 different levels in height here. You got a nice little handle to hold it. It's easy to assemble. Took me about a minute. And what I love about this one is the bag right here. This bag will hold and catch most of it, and it's easy to empty out and stuff. I'm gonna put it on and show you guys. It comes with that. It's really good. All you gotta get is your extension cord. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop it a little bit lower. We're gonna go maybe 1 right here. That's what I love about it. And it's easy. See a button right here? You press this, and then you pull this. And then you just go. Look at that. See that? Clearing the grass out. Getting everything out of there, filling up in the grass. It's lightweight, it's fast, easy to use. Oh, look at that. You're gonna back up, get everything in there. Make sure you hold your extension cord. This literally getting everything. And the bag picks it up, most of it. Look at it right here, look. See that? What a difference. It's clearing out, getting all the dry grass, bad grass. Look, all here. You could compost these bags. Look at all that. Really crabgrass, bad stuff. I love this machine. Right now, I've been going to use it, and it's going to be doing this whole backyard. I'm reseeding and bringing this backyard to life. So this will save me a lot of money. Thousands of dollars we're saving ourselves right here. Keep checking the description box. They're always on sale and stuff. It's a good quality. It works really nice. All you needed to do is to do his job, and it's 2-in-1. So it's pretty good, pretty powerful overall. We love it. Thumbs up here on Product Zone. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. Also share it to help others. Listen, this is a good product. It's cheap, it's affordable, and it gets the job done. That's all you need, and that's all it matters.